What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to disable the RCS or Google Chat for offline recipients on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open Messages app. Now click on this three dot more icon and from here click on Settings. Now in Settings, click on Chat Settings and then you will see a Chat Features button on the top. So just simply tap on this button to turn it off, and after that tap on If a chat isn't delivered option, and from here tap on Resend as a text or multimedia message, and after that tap on Default message type and from here select text or multimedia. So after customizing these settings, the RCS or Google Chats will be disabled. So that's how you can disable the RCS or Google Chat for offline recipients in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.